beginner forex trader who is looking up to grow an account of $10 to $100 or even more, there are pairs you need to be trading in the market. Trading in the forex market as a beginner, there are pairs which you should avoid trading, okay? As a beginner who have $10 in your account minimum, so this is a particular account right here I'm trading. So I'm going to be showing you the best pair you should trade as a beginner in the forex industry, so as not to get losses or blow your accounts quick. Okay, so welcome back to my channel. This is Trade with Degreat YouTube channel. In my channel I document videos on crypto trading, forex trading, and how to make money online. So if this is your thing, do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so as to get notified whenever I drop or content in my channel. And also let me have your comments in the comment section down below and share my video as well. So in order not to waste much of our time, let's dive in. So as a forex trader, as a beginner forex trader, okay, once you log in, after getting a few knowledge on forex trading, once you log in, you are going to be seeing numerous pairs right here that you should be trading. Okay, you can make money for all of them, but there are pairs you should select for your $10 account. Okay, so this is not just for the beginners. Okay, this video is also for a pro trader as well, but mostly specific for the beginners who only have their $10 to trade in the forex market. Let me tell you, so many of you think that it's all about depositing huge amounts of money. Well, that also matters, but if you can not manage a smaller account, that's your $10 account, just know that even when you deposit your $100, your $1,000, you still blow it off. Okay, so now all you have to be doing, you are going to be filtering it out here. So I'm just going to be selecting pairs that you should be trading right here. So now I'm going to be deleting. Let me mark everything and delete them. Delete everything and I start adding them up again. So if I come to sports currency, okay, so now these are pairs you should be trading as a beginner with your $10 account. So now, and after showing you these particular pairs, and I'm going to be telling you why you are going to be choosing them for your trade. Okay, so now I choose on this one. So this one, and I also tell you why you shouldn't choose other pairs. Okay, so this as well. So now these are pairs you should be trading as a beginner with your $10 account in the forex market. The number one pair is Euro USD. If possible, you can just focus on only Euro USD alone. That will be fine. Okay, that will be fine. Euro USD is the best pair for beginner. It's a beginner friendly pair for all traders, like for beginners with $10, and this particular pair is good for the risk management. Okay, so the reason why I'm recommending Euro USD is because the pips at which it moves is a bit lower, which means when you place a trade with little lot size, your trade which will move slower in pips, and also when it goes in loss it moves slower, and when it goes in profit it moves slow. But Euro USD is not even that slow. So, and even I'm also going to be telling you lot size you should use for your $10 account. So just to apply risk management, you're not going to be using anyhow lot size. You're going to be careful with the lot size you use for your $10 account. Okay, now this is it. Euro USD is the top and is the best. So if I have a $10 account right now, I'll be considering trading Euro USD. Let's say choosing Euro USD only. Then the next pair is the GBP USD. GBP USD is a bit volatile than Euro USD, okay, but is not as volatile compared to gold and other cryptocurrencies. So I'll also recommend you trade GBP USD for a $10 account, okay. Number one, Euro USD. The second one is GBP. Euro USD is not as volatile, is less volatile compared to all. And also the next one you'll be trading AUD USD. That's a very good one. That's a very good one. AUD USD. You're going to be trading that. Okay, we are going to be sticking with these three pairs. Let's just and I will be telling you, let me just take off card. Well, let's just leave it this way. For the USD card is also a good pair. You can trade as a beginner, but I will just recommend you trade AUD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD. The reason is because they have the best movement. They have the best movement in the market. They respond to analysis in the market. And talking about gold, now gold is not a beginner friendly pair to trade for your $10. So if you are trading gold for your $10, be ready to risk it all, okay? Be ready to risk it all if you are trading gold. Don't even think of trading gold as a beginner forex trading to raise $10 up. Forget about gold, because gold is highly volatile and the amount of pips it moves is, let's say, 5 times higher compared to other pairs, right? So you should be careful, run away from gold as a beginner. But gold is a very good pair to trade if you want to, raise your capital in a small amount of time. You should be considering trading gold. But for beginners who are still into this game with your $10, please stay off from gold, because gold will easily get you liquidated. Yeah, I know why I'm saying this, because I'm speaking based on experience. Imagine, even with the lowest lot size in the forex market, that is the 0.01, you can blow off your money. Gold will blow it off once there is a news that comes up, or whether there is just anything happening in the market. It gets volatile and the movement is drastic. So stay out from gold if you want to build your $10 account as a beginner. So talking about USD JPY, also is volatile, is the second volatile after gold. Then the USD JPY is also volatile. So these are pairs you shouldn't even trade. Let's say you can consider trading USD JPY, but instead of trading USD JPY as a beginner with your $10 account, stay off from it and trade these top three I just mentioned, which is the AUD USD, Euro USD, and GBP USD. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you other pairs and reason why I don't recommend them. Okay, this particular NZD USD, the reason why I don't recommend NZD USD is because this particular NZD USD strategies don't play out right on this particular pair. So I've tested and it's not a good one to go with. It's not recommendable at all. USD CHF is a kind of even more better compared to NZD USD. So I'll just go with these ones I showed you as a beginner forex trader. Okay, go with this one and you will last long with your $10 in the markets. Okay, so even before you hardly blow your money. Okay, so and don't forget, so before trading you analyze. Try to analyze yourself. Stay out from all these signals. Won't help you, because when you are taking signals, you are just following what that person is saying. You don't even know why you are doing it. All you know is they say you buy, you go straight and buy. So stay out from signals, all these signals. And when you lose, you come and say the person gave you wrong signal, and you yourself, you don't even know what you are doing. Okay, you don't know what you are doing, and when you end up getting lost, you say he gave you wrong signal. So learn to trade yourself. That's what I'm trying to say in overall. Alright, see you in my next video. Let me know about the topic you want me to make videos on in the comment section below, and I'll do just that. Thanks for watching, and bye.